Okay, g'day guys. What I want to do now is show you how on your class pad we can use 3 different functions to help us with arithmetic and geometric sequences and series that we're doing for the remainder of this term. And the first one I'm going to show you is NUMSOLVE, which is this particular one here. This is very useful just to be able to quickly type in an equation and then solve for different variables. Each time you use it, you'll have to type in the equation again. So if we just start with finding the term for an arithmetic sequence, the rule is a plus n minus 1 times d. Now you remember that this is the term that we're looking for. A is the first term, n is the term number that we're looking for, and d is the common difference between them. So when I've typed in my rule, and it could be any rule at all, it doesn't have to be for this one, but any rule that we want to work with. When I press enter or I press X here, you'll see that I create a box where I've got the option to pick which variable I want to solve for, and then I just basically type in the other 3. So if I know 3 of these numbers, it'll solve automatically for the 4th for me. So this is the first one. It's very useful for any formula that I want to play with. When I've typed in the 3 values that I have, and I've got this D, I just hit solve. And it tells me that for this particular one, the common difference would be 0.5. So this is the first one. It's called NUMSOLVE. I can also use it just to solve, I'll just clear this out, even something more simple like that you might recall the area of a circle is, and I'm going to be on the keyboard here, I want to put in pi times r squared. There we are. And then I can just type in any radius that I have. Maybe an area of a radius of 5, solve for the area, and it does it automatically for me. Now with the NUMSOLVE tool that I'm in, I actually have to type in the formula every time. But I can do other things with it. I can graph results and so forth. So that's the first one, NUMSOLVE. Have a go. Try using NUMSOLVE to solve some of the questions in your textbook for your arithmetic sequences that we're doing this week.